Test mic 1 2, test. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Sabo from One Piece. This is from episode 1117. Just saying that's mental. It's crazy how many episodes of One Piece there is. It's so good. So, without his top hat. So, an interesting version of Sabo. Let's go. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause. If I go too fast, which sometimes I do, and I apologize. So, use that pause button. It's right there. So, frowning. Frowning One Piece eye. Thin eyebrow. Tick. Mark. Going that way. Check mark. Goes underneath his hair, but we'll draw it in anyway. And then this frowning line kind of curves back a bit. Just going back this way. Maybe another one. So his eyeball, and it's literally nearly a ball underneath, right? So we might go that way, and then we go sort of around. I'm going to leave like a little bit of a gap, because I like that style a bit more in One Piece, you know. Sometimes you can draw just a full circle, but I'm going to just jump. Right? You could fill that in if you wanted. So I like them a bit better when they're left with these. They look more like eyelids, I think, rather than eyeballs. So like frowned in there and stuff. So he's looking. I'll do him like looking directly at us. So we'll go with pupil in the middle here somewhere. And try and get it in the middle and looking sort of intense. So relatively small compared to his eye. That are just black. Sometimes I've seen them grey. So you could do grey and then a black circle in the middle if you wanted, but we'll go with what the anime went with. Okay, so that doesn't look too bad. And then hatching just on the side of his nose. And then we'll jump over and do the other eyebrow. Frowning, check mark, tick, going diagonal that way. Again, goes under like his long blonde hair. But we'll just add some frowns. And that eyeball shape again. So we'll go down the front here first. Then around the back. Goes underneath his hair. But we'll just kind of finish it off. Like so, and then get it around the corner here. Like that. And we'll try and get the eye in the middle. You want them to roughly be the same size. They're not perfect circles in the show, so yours don't have to be perfect circles either. That's the good news. Right, and then he has like some eyelid lines and wrinkles and stuff. Okay, so nose in One Piece. So we go down this way. And it kind of curves at the bottom and then goes back up in towards the eyebrow. And then they do some like little lines there. And then those nostrils that way. So his mouth seems like just sort of standard curved. Might be 2 lines. And then his bottom lip. And his chin. So real sort of round, one piece kind of face. So it kind of goes kind of like Luffy's, but maybe a bit more of a jaw on him. Right, so he's got a bandage plaster across his nose. We call them plasters. I know other nations call them different things. We just call them plasters. Band-aids, I guess. That's what other people call them. And he's got another one on the side of his face here. So his forehead then, like his top of his hairline, just there. It's not like bang in the middle. And then the fringe curves this way, like a letter, sort of M shape. And then we have some sort of hair spikes and stuff just coming across here. Some texture lines then inside. Now, long blonde hair, wavy, curly, sort of long blonde hair. Comes over his eye a bit, kind of hooks around underneath. Up around. Right, and then okay, so keep adding hair spikes. There's some that hang down behind his neck as well. But we'll get the top ones done first, and then we'll add the ones behind the neck. You can see his ear on this one actually. There's like ear lines. Curved line there. I guess there should be some more wavy lines here. All these lines on the parts of his hair, you know. Okay, so neck. It's quite a wide neck. So neck kind of starts here, right? Curves out. And then some more hair coming in underneath. And then I guess we can see his earlobe just in here as well. Okay, that's his hair. Pretty tricky now, anime hair. Take your time. So his collar then. There, and we get this little bumpy cravat on the bottom. And then collarbones, neck muscles in there, like another Adam's apple area. And the scar, I will draw it in. They do it with pink line, but we will just draw it in with black. They do it with kind of like flesh color, you know. We'll just do it in lightly anyway. Okay. Makes them look more intense already. So then, collar. Sticking out like so. And the other side. Spiky. There, and then he's got like a yellow jacket coming down inside, which has a bigger collar. Going down that way, comes over on the other side. And there's some more lines just curving around his neck here. Part of his shirt and stuff. And then shoulder. Like that. And that's it. Sabo. Is he head of the Revolutionary Army? Am I correct about that one? Not sure. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.